We have a problem on angle measures. Okay, let's go to the question. There is a figure given over here. In the figure above, the measure of angle ABE, that is this angle measure AB is 120 degree, and the measure of angle CBD, this angle measure is 135 degree, and we have to find the measure of angle DBE. So we have to find the angle measure over here. Okay, I assume the measure of angle DBA, I mean the required angle measure is X, DB is X. Okay, already we know that the measure of angle ABE, this angle measure is 120 degree. Then what must be the angle measure over here? So it's very simple. From this 120 degree angle measure, I have to subtract X to get the measure of angle ABD. So the measure of angle ABD is 120 negative X. Okay, so what should I do to get the measure of angle EBC? Already we know that the measure of angle CBD, I mean this angle measure is 135. So from this angle measure 135, if I want to get the angle measure over here, I have to subtract this X from this angle measure CBD. So when I subtract X from the measure of angle CBD, that is 135, I am getting 135 minus X. So this is the measure of angle CBE. Okay, now, so this angle measure 120 negative X and X 135 negative X. These angles together form an angle on straight line. And we already know that the angle on a straight line always measures 180 degree. So when I add these angle measures, they must add up to 180 because these angles are together form a straight angle. I mean, an angle on a straight line, it measures 180 degree. Okay, let's add them 120 negative X, positive X, positive 135 negative X. So these angles will add up to 180 because the three angles are together form a straight angle. Okay, here negative X, positive X will cancel out. When I combine this 120 and 135, it will become 255 negative X equals to 180. Okay, now let's subtract 255 from both sides to solve for X. So this positive 255, negative 255 cancel out. I get X equals to negative 75 when I combine positive 180 and negative 255. Okay, if I multiply both sides by negative 1, this negative X will become positive X and this negative 75 will become positive 75. So the value of X is 75. That means the measure of angle DBE is 75 degree. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.